Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing? Somebody give me a sound check. Let me know you hear me okay. Let's rock and roll here. Where's my thing? Oh, man, what's going on over here? Oh, my computer is frozen. Hello? Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, shit. What happened here? Control delete. Oh my God, the computer totally froze. My computer just unfroze. Okay, hang on. Everybody just relax. I gotta my computer just nearly crashed because I think I had too many windows open. So just bear with me. I don't want to log out. So everybody just stay tight. I'm gonna close out all my applications and free up some memory. And let's see if we got, okay. Ah, fuck me. All right, everybody just hang tight. All right, let's see if we can share screen. Okay, this is totally frozen. Is it moving? Okay, screen is moving. All right, talk to me. You guys are seeing the screen now, right? Okay, all right. Sorry, hang tight. Let me just launch MetaTrader, which I think crashed everything. Motherfucker. Okay, let's see if this is working now. All right, it seems to be working. Trade. Okay, we're looking good. All right, beautiful. Wow, Jesus, that was not what I wanted. Fumihiro, how are you, my friend? Haven't seen you in a long time. We had so many changes since the last time you've been here. Okay. I traded this. I don't know if anybody traded this. I traded this off the bounce a little bit, and that worked. It wasn't a pretty trade. The reason why this bounce wasn't obviously so good was because this bounce itself was like 20 points. Almost all the profit was in the bounce. When you get into that kind of position, you got to take what you can get. I didn't go for the full 10. I went for like +7 on this just because I knew it was such a high move. But nevertheless, the trade was good. The reversal trade, team reversal, has really been trading very, very well all night long, all day long. The low bounce off these lows worked pretty nicely. Generally, my rule of thumb, by the way, if you're trading Dow, is I don't really want to trade the Dow until 5, 6 a.m. New York, until literally like sort of London morning. It's a total wait, unless we have calamities in the market and there's just huge amount of volatility and the thing is moving 200 points an hour and everybody in Europe is freaking out. The spreads and the lack of liquidity in the Dow is just horrific until about 5 or 6 when finally we get a little bit of liquidity into the markets and flows start to come in. So generally my advice is from 6 onward is only when you want to trade the Dow. NASDAQ surprisingly is liquid all night long. I mean, liquid enough for the 5-10 point moves that we're looking for is fine. So, I think NASDAQ kind of lends itself better. We had I think we had a, yeah, let me see what we had. So let's run the reversal trades from start of Asia. And this was good. So this was, I love, this is a setup I've really starting to love a lot now, where we have, sell off into Asia, 2-3 sells, reversal buy, right? Or we get a reversal sell. Either way, multiple signals one way, the first reversal the other way, usually a terrific opportunity to the top side. By the way, I guess you would have made the full 10 on the Dow also, because they did bounce back. So that was a great trade to the upside, easy 5 points over here. Then we got a multiple buys. This one is brutal in a sense that it was right, but would have stopped you out only because if you had used a 10-point stop. So you have multiple buys, we have a reversal sell. We have sort of like the last gasp of the buys here. You basically came in at 9, and the high was like 19.50. It would have just taken you out by a point if you had a 10-point stop. If you were liberal and used a 20-point stop, you'd more than survived it and made money. But you can't retroactively kind of retrofit your conditions. Yeah, I trade with a 10-point stop that would have taken you out, and then came right back and made money. This trade over here actually was okay. You made 1,500 up to 5. You made the 5 points here. The problem here was that this sell candle was basically enter on the lows, whereas this buy candle was an enter on the lows. And the entry sometimes is just as important as the signal itself. So the entry here gave you just great enough positioning to basically make the 5 points. This was not a great, it's sort of like one of those not full reversal candles just yet. It was there, and then the next big move was really here. This really wasn't a signal because we didn't have 2 double sells. And now we're just, twiddling thumbs mid-range in NASDAQ, not really doing much of anything pre-open. Markets are, very, very flat. I don't think we have much news today at all. Let me see what's on. I haven't even looked at the news because I was just busy with other stuff today, but let me see. Where is content? What's on news? CAD CPI was hotter. What do we got? Hotter CPI out of CAD. Housing starts number was relatively weak. That's a hot number on CAD. Housing starts really started to drop off. Blah, blah, blah. Permits are pretty good though. We have FOMC minutes today. Nothing much going on. The really quiet day for us in the US. Tonight we have Australian employment. That should be interesting. I'm sure Kathy's going to have something to say about that. Starts popped up, completions kind of completed, permits peaked. Nothing really interesting. So nothing much going on here. We'll have to see how the price flows go for the day. But overall, the two things that I really like are, like I said, the team reversal where we try to trade our reversal conditions off the highs and the lows, which continues to work relatively well across all. It continues to work really well if you just stick to plan. I mean, my biggest problem is that sometimes I don't stick to plan and I rush the trades. And then the reversal trade, especially during sort of like the 6 a.m. to 3 p.m., 0600 to 1500 hours New York, when the change of flows from buys to sells has the highest chance of success, is really really good. I like it a lot. One of the things that you can sorry, I didn't show you one of the good reversal signal that we had here was multiple sell signals here, right? The first buy after more than two or more sell signals. So consecutive sells, we have a buy, comes in over here at 07, makes 20 points, very, very quickly, or at least 10 points. Sorry, not 20, because it's tight conditions. So it makes 10 points in a matter of 5 minutes. Really good entry, nice quality trade. Then we drop to the lows, buy here, make another 10 points. Just continues to bank for us. Let me see what else is going on. What was the so this was another. So that NASDAQ trade at minus 10 plus 5 stops us out in that time frame. But the Dow trade was perfect. You came in at 59, you had a little bit of heat to 69, but you're trading 20-10 on the Dow, and then it comes back down, of course, as a perfect sell signal. So you could have caught the early morning reversal in the Dow. You would have gotten stopped on the what do you call it? On NASDAQ, just because of flow. And this was actually, as choppy as this was, I think I actually traded this one. This really did work. It was a 97 entry. You had a 17 stop. It went to like 6 against you, and then it dropped all the way down into the 70s. So more than enough with spreads with everything else to make 10 points. So even as you see how choppy and ugly and totally discontinuous these candles were because of so little liquidity, even then the signal trades were great. But generally, I pretty much don't get involved with the Dow until about 6 in the morning for the trades. I'm actually continuing to trade my contest account, really, I kind of just want to continue with it at my prescribed size, because my game plan here is, my target is to make like 50, to make basically, I try to make basically what 1% per every 2 weeks, like I guess 0.5% a week, right? So it's 25%. I'm actually super a little bit behind here. I only made I didn't make 0.5% yet. I haven't even made 0.25% this week because I've been trading very, very small size. I'm going to start to increase my size a little bit, try to get to that level. But the idea is, trading super small size, lots of trades to give you flexibility, the ability to size up when you get larger, and really keep the equity curve very, very tight. I mean, I have literally not slipped. There hasn't been a day where I've had negative equity since I started. My only game plan here is to kind of increase the size to get towards those targets. But with the kind of scalping we do, that's the point. The point is to win every day. That's what we try and do. I'm almost certain I cursed myself today by saying that, but I mean, you get the idea. The win as many days as possible. How's everybody else doing? What's going on? Anybody doing anything today? Anybody trade anything so far? Post up your trades for me. And let's take a look. Let's take a look at both NAS and keep an eye on both of them. Very quiet right now. I am going to get a little more aggressive on the continuation trades. So beginning of the market open, we start challenging these lows. I'm going to sell the Dows. I'm just telling you right now, if the Dow comes into the 40s, I'm going to sell it down. So on my 32 to 225, I'm trying to figure out what the hell my low is. Even what is my low here? That would be. Hold on a second. Let me just see. Where's my lows? Ooh, no. Oh, oh, this is so weird. My lows on the Dow. Okay, I'm selling this Dow. No, this is so weird. My Dow is, wow, why is my Dow? Okay, I'm sold the Dow lows here, but it's not like I don't have the future low. This is so weird. Why don't I have this candle? What's going on here? You see this candle? I don't have this. All right, it doesn't matter. I'm just sure I'm short the Dow off the continuation lows. Let's see if we can pick up. Maybe I'll go for 7, just because it's a momentum trade. There we go, and I got 7. What the hell's going on? Why is my CFD pricing is totally different from my? See this? Why don't I have this candle? God, this is bizarre. Okay, be as it may, I'm just going to ignore whatever. Maybe this candle was futures and they just didn't print this on the CFDs, and that's why we're like out of sync. But whatever. I mean, you get the idea. Momentum trades are a go at the start of session when you have lots and lots of one-way price action. But then as we get into the half hour into the session, into the meat of the session, we really want to trade the reversal trades, the bottom trades. Even like 10, 15 minutes into the session, we like to trade the bottom trades. Let me just see something. This is so weird. Okay, let's see if the NAS matches. Okay, so NAS looks good, right? NAS price action looks fine. NAS is matching the CFDs. I don't know what the fuck is going on with okay, so this is NAS and this is the Dow. The Dow price action is matching, not perfectly, but yeah, I guess this is matching. Okay, we're just going to assume that whatever click this was. Sold the Dow for 20. Good for you, Miguel. Good for you. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. The problem with trading futures against CFDs is occasionally you're going to get these really weird ticks. And I think what happened is, this was such a fast move on the futures that it didn't reflect in cash, and that's why I was like, where are my highs and lows? This printed a low on. We're basically going off the futures lows, right? Which is the foundational contract. That's where everything is priced off of. But occasionally you're going to get these price discrepancies, and it could skew you a little bit in the short term. So we actually have a bounce off the lows, and what time we have? Like 18, 20 minutes. I'm going to pass up on this bounce. I mean, I think it might work, but I'm going to pass up on this bounce just because I kind of want to get a feel for the price action. My view is we haven't really had any serious. Every decline has been bought, and I have a feeling we're ready for a serious puke job. We need to sell off hard to freak people out. There's plenty of bogus negative sentiment. Afghanistan, high prices, slowdown in China. Pick an excuse. There's plenty of excuses to correct for equities to correct a little bit. So, my vibe. Remember, I said yesterday we're going to take out the 15,000. I think they're going to take out 14.9, maybe even 14.8 today on a down move. So, yeah, I could be completely wrong. The market came back hard yesterday, but I want to give it, a room to the downside before I start trying to pick bottoms and tops right now. So we're just probably going to sit tight till the open, unless they start breaking fresh lows on the Dow. Then I'm going to hit the Dow again. I'm going to do it off screen because I just can't. I'll tell you when I'm short. Like I'm basically going to be short once this line crosses here on the futures, which is like around 35s, 31, 35s. We hit that on the futures. I'm gonna sell the CFDs, whatever my CFD value is. So let's watch that a little carefully here. Everybody in sync with my basic game plan for the day, my plan of attack? 10 minutes to the open. Really try not to do anything until unless we break fresh lows, fresh highs off the open. We'll see what, we'll see where it takes us. Hmm. Hey, Vince. All right, watching this lows. It's 35s are the lows in the futures. So we start, I think it's 35s. Let me just make sure that it's 38s, 37, 38s, 37. We hit 37s. I'm gonna sell the Dows, sell the Dow CFDs. NAS is mid-range. There's nothing going on here. I can't tell you how many. This is like a perfect example of wasting time. Yesterday, like an idiot, I started scalping NAS mid-range. It really, wasn't at the highs, wasn't at the lows, was just dicking around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And bottom line is I wasted an hour trying to get back to even, wasting my time on, just a series of like really bad trades until I was eventually able to work my way out of it. All because, I took position midfield. It's like, there is no edge here. There's whatever it looks good, it's false. It's a 50-50 proposition. It only gets interesting when it's at the extremes. Only at the extremes do we have a semblance of an edge. Not even always an edge, but like a semblance of an edge. So don't forget that, okay? Don't do what I do. Do what I say. The only edge we have when we're in, midstream is on the signals. If we have a reversal of the trend signal, yeah, then we take that as a play. But otherwise, there's just no point in getting involved. Also, guys, like this is literally. So we have one more week. I'm gonna hang with you. Then I'm gonna leave you guys for a week because I'm going to California, which is gonna be. Let me see what's our schedule here. So I'm leaving on the 30th, Labor Day. Basically, the first week of SEP and the second week of SEP, I'm going to be in Cali. So I won't be trading with you guys. There's just no way I can do it from. I can do it from Cali, but I'm going to be in Airbnbs. My family is going to kill me if I wake up at 5 in the morning to try to talk to you guys. But what I was going to say is, like, really, we have Jackson Hole next week, which might give us a little volatility, but it's really going to die down. This whole week over here is essentially last week of summer for everybody. I have a feeling it's going to be very quiet. So, I'm going to leave you to your own devices at that point. Oh, I know it's really late for you in Aussie. What time is it in Aussie? It's 11:25 p.m. Right? I know it sucks. That's why I keep it to just 1 hour. Where am I going to Cali? I'm going to be in LA and San Diego. I'm going to be in Westwood, which is the only place in LA that I can tolerate. And then I'm going to San Diego. So really, really quiet. 5 minutes to the open. We're just basically seeing a couple of ticks here, a couple of ticks here. Not much going on here. Yields are up a little bit, so that's interesting. Oh, you know what's interesting? I was doing my MT4 class today, and I was saying, euro looked like it was a buy on dips because it's so grossly oversold. I mean, nothing is moving here, but the euro was up since I picked up on that move. That's interesting. Wonder if I have any. We can take a look at currency, just currency. No, I still got no trades. There's nothing on the 1 hour chart that's triggering our buy sell reversal trades. Wow, look how tight Dow is, like literally 10 points for the last 10 minutes. Really, really tight. You had 4 minutes left. Oh, Mel, yes, I forgot. I'll be in San Diego. Mel, I doubt it sounds like my wife has me fully booked, and my son is coming. My son and his girlfriend are coming with us, so I don't know if we'll have time. But if we do, maybe I'll ping you. We'll get a chance to have an espresso since I don't drink. All right, coming in. Let's see if we're gonna bang this this low. 37 is the lows. I'm trying to see if oh, boom. Ooh, that was really weird. Okay, don't want to play this. Let's play this. What the hell? I sold the Dow right now on the lows. Let's see if they really want to bang it. Wow, look at how choppy the market is. It's just like not even, moving here. But they did break the fresh lows. So let's trust the team momentum for the time being. They took it to 20. There we go. Boom. Jesus. All right, you know what? Let's close this out for 6. Ugh, sorry. And just leave it alone. This is, I really ugly price action. I mean, it's working, but it's just so sloppy. Look at this. They just took 10 right through. Anyways, I took it for 6. If you guys took it for more, good for you. But it was, it was to spec. We said we're going to short this. We did the short. It ain't pretty, but it gets the job done. Anybody take the Dow short with me? Yeah, I know. It was like 4, 5, 6. It was like all over the place. It's a very, very sloppy little move here. Okay, we're almost at the open. It looks like they are going to crash the Dow to the open. Let's just we'll give it 3-5 minutes to see how they want to play. They may make fresh. It looks like they might want to make fresh lows here. I'm kind of interested in NAS. I'm surprised NAS hasn't touched. I have a feeling NAS might play catch up and start making fresh lows in a little bit. So we are almost at the market open. Bouncing off the fresh low that we made. But I have a feeling if they're going to watch this again, what's the lows is 20 or 17, 18. They're going to come back. I'm going to do this off screen, guys, because it's just hard for me to run the screen both ways. But if they come back to break the 20, the 17, I'm going to short again because I think they're not done selling it. So let's watch this. Let's watch the market. Very choppy, very, very sloppy little trade here. NAS is falling, but not, not a lot. And now they're trying to reverse it a little bit. So let's see. Looks like they probed it and they reversed it, but it's not over yet. Let's watch this. 17, 18 is our sell point on here. Whenever that, if it gets there, it gets there. NAS is still far away. Watching the Dow. Watching more of the Dow than the Nas because they're closer to the lows. Dow seems to have stabilized a little bit. So, you know, that may have been a good reversal signal. I really thought there'd be more continuation, the downside. So look at that. It was a great reversal signal. Should have bought that, but you know, you can't have it every time. We caught the down move. The reversal move was kind of very spiky here. Look at the Nas. Nas really reversed hard. I still think Nas is coming in, but you know, be that as it may. Let me just see if Nas also, just curious here. No, Nas has a single sell, so it's not going to give us a buy reversal. Nas Dow going the opposite way as always. Oh, why does it say battery low? Did I not? Is this not plugged in? Oh, sorry guys, hang tight. Oh man, I'm having all sorts of okay, sorry, share screen. We're gonna share screen. Ah man, I'm gonna share this. Sorry, I'm gonna share this screen with you guys. Sorry. It's slow. I'm just telling you right now. If you don't hear me out, I'm selling the Dow right now. We'll and I'll come back to share the screen with you in just 1 second. What is this one? Where's my Zoom? Ugh, sorry guys, I'm having all sorts of issues right now. You guys seeing nothing, right? Let me see what I can do here. I can't get a hold of this thing. Okay, here we go. Oh, ooh, I got clipped on a Dow. I sold the Dow to the downside and I got screwed. So let me see what I got here. Screen 2, share. Are you guys seeing my screen again? I'm gonna get long Dow now. I'm sorry you guys are not seeing anything. Is anybody seeing the screen? Okay, so I'm long the Dow now. 410. Let's see if we can get the other way around. This is a very, very big candle, so obviously I could get clipped on the reversal, which I might. But we did reverse off the lows here. I may be getting played both ways. Wow, I'm getting played both ways. If I get hit and there's a second reversal signal, like in other words, if I get clipped out on a stop and the candle prints another reversal, I'll go back with larger size. So far, I'm able to survive the stop. Let's see if I can get the 10. I mean, so far, no, I can't get the 10. Okay, nope, I got clipped. Let's watch this now. If I get a secondary green here off the bottom, I will play it again. If it breaks to the fresh low, no, let's watch that. Let's watch that. Okay. Dow is really flushing me out hard, but I'm watching this candle. Wow, look at this moves. Okay, I'm front running. I front run the move in the Dow, long this thing badly, very badly. I took the highs, but let's give it a shot because if this thing stays green, I want to be long this candle. At these levels, and I am long this candle. Let's see if we can get any kind of movement here. 5, come on, 8, 10. Okay, that got done, and that puts me back into positive territory. Okay, so let me deconstruct the sloppiness of this miserable sequence of events and how I was able to get myself out. And this is why you need to trade. Can you guys seeing are you seeing my Dow screen now? Are you guys seeing my Dow screen? You know what, guys? I'm so sorry. I got like, it tells me I have 8% charge on my screen. And honestly, I don't know. Hang on, let me honestly, guys, I might be that might be all I can show you, because I'm trading from New York today, and I'm really sorry, but this might be, I'm going to be dying out in about 3 minutes on my screen, so I might have to close out the condition. I'm trading from New York today. I did not bring my charger, thinking that I don't need it. And well, hang on a second. Hang on, maybe I have it. Hang on, just 1 second. Hang on. I'm a lucky bastard. I have my charger. Hang on, hang on, hang on. I did bring my charger. Just hang tight. Just give me a sec, guys. Hopefully we will have connection. Just bear with me. Holy shit. Let's see if I got this right. Let me see if this plugs me in. Oh, yay. All right. All right. I will live to trade another day. Beautiful. Always have backup, even when it comes to computers. I thought I didn't. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. I'm charging. Okay. But I did have my backup for my New York. Okay, super. So I could crisis averted. So anyways, let's kind of deconstruct. Ooh, before we deconstruct, let's watch the Dow here a little bit as it's trading. So this whole sequence of events, right? I sell the lows, I get stopped out. Fine, no problem. The continuation trade clearly not working today. So now we focus on reversal. We get this, let's go to the big screen. We get to this big green candle over here, right? Big green candle over here. I get long, I get stopped. And at this point, the stop was obvious. The stop, first of all, happens before the lows are, before the lows are made. And secondly, the next candle after that becomes green. So now my game plan is, okay, I'm coming in 3 times the size, because I still believe that this is a reversal trade, 3 times the size on the reversal side. And I make back everything that I lost, and then win some on that plan B, right? This is our strategy of plan B. This is why we always trade small size, so we have lots in reserve to be able to repair the trade. So how this looked on my account history is, you can see I get clipped over here on one size, and I make it all back. I make it all back on this size. So that's that was the structure, and that was the plan. I'm sorry I got all like screwed up as far as screen time, but now you can see everything, right? So now we have a decent looking buy candle. If this turns green, this stays green in the next thing, I may be willing to buy the Dow. It's not quite a bounce off the, why is this not working? Everything is frozen on me. Okay. Nope, that did not, we're actually making fresh lows. So now we have to be super patient and see if we can get a bounce off the lows here. I'm just having issues with my video here, video processing. I'm gonna have to I should have restarted my computer. I think it's just stressing it out on the video processor. But anyways, be patient. We made fresh lows, but no green candle. Let's wait for a green candle to have. This is a big green candle now coming up. Let's see if that holds. I'm not rushing it until I get a green candle. But hopefully everybody is clear as to the tactics that we used to get in, get out of the trade, make sure that, we always have plan 1, plan 2. Okay, gonna get long here. Okay, I'm long. long this trade on the bounce back. Let's see if we can get 10 points out of it. 5, I took 9. I took 9 out of that trade, okay? And actually went full 10. Okay, I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry, guys, if you're seeing very herky-jerky visuals here. I think there's, I need to restart. It's the video driver because it's this. I'm running 2 big screens off of this special video driver. So, my apologies for the visuals, but you guys getting the screens and the signals. Anybody go along the Dow? Tony? No. Yeah, here's my sequence, Tony. I'm going to type it out. I'm going to type out the sequence. Okay, I'm going to type out the sequence. Let's see if I can do this right. It's 1x. Oh, shit, Jesus, really, I can't type 1. I think my computer is, I'm sorry, guys, my computer is just completely fried. 1x, 2, yeah, this is some kind of I can't do anything. 2x, no, screw it. All right, we're just going to, tomorrow, I'm gonna do a clean reinstall, make sure everything is good. I was doing a lot of video editing on this computer, and I think I completely exhausted. It's a PC, so it has massive memory leaks. So I should have restarted the computer before I started trading with you guys. My apologies. I just, there's like nothing is working. But it's 1x, 3x, 9x, or 10x. That's the ratio. Okay, Gilbert, good. Gerald, good job for you. 20 on the Dow, good for you. Good for you. You took a nice move. But Tony, yeah, it's 1x, 3x, 10x. That's why I trade very small size, because I want to have plenty in ammunition. But the thing is, you got to be very disciplined on that. You got to make sure that you really have the trade. This trade, by the way, I forgot to tell you, this is the bread and butter trade. This is the money trade this is the money scalp trade. The money scalp trade is reversal candle off the lows. What that means is you hit the lows and the candle ends green, or you hit the highs and the candle ends red. That is the bread and butter trade. Or if you're in Australia, the bread and Vegemite trade. Who's there? Vince? You guys want to see something funny? Let me see if I can find it. Oh, where's my phone? I'll do it off my phone. You guys will get a kick out of this. All the Aussies will get a kick out of this. Let me see if I can find it. Here we go. There we go. All right, check out the, let's see if this comes in. How come it's not coming in? Did I not post this? Oh, there it is. It takes a second to come in. All right, check that out. That's a New Jersey bagel with Vegemite, which, by the way, is vile. I don't know how you people in Australia can eat this crap. It is vile. But my daughter, who's 9 years old and a little rising gourmand, can eat anything. Loved it, But, I thought you guys might enjoy it. From the land down under. Okay, despite all of my technical glitches, the trading is going well, guys. We're up like 30 points in the Dow. No trades in NASDAQ. Look how good I am. I haven't taken one bogus trade in NASDAQ, even though I know you guys have taken some good trades in NASDAQ. I just don't have any setups. But again, this is the bread and butter trade. If you're going to do just one trade on the scalp basis during the day, let me find it. Oh, sorry, I don't have the look how slow this is. I can't annotate anything. All right, we'll just have to. I'll annotate it tomorrow. But you see what's going on. Guys, let's watch. I mean, I'm happy to watch it with you guys, but I think I'm going to be done for trading because clearly my computer is Oh my God. Yeah, I don't know how you guys eat it. It's sorry. I'll eat anything. I'll eat a durian, but I will not eat this stuff. Like that is just vile. Um, and I love anchovies, and it kind of tastes a little bit like anchovies, but like I don't know why, just don't have the taste for it. Um, anyways, I'll watch the markets with you guys for a couple more minutes, but I think I'm gonna be done trading because this computer is just fried. I have zero, it's just got no latency. It's got all latency on it, so no response. It needs to be restarted, and I can't do it until we end up Zoom. But I'm glad everybody banked on that bounce off the lows. Team reversal, another winner. We're still pretty much mid-range. Nothing much going on here. Yeah, we may be super flat today. Oh, okay. So here, we'll see. I was looking to see if this is going to be a buy. Doesn't look like it's going to be a buy. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna call it a day, guys, because nothing much is setting up. But the rest of the day, you never know. In the next half hour, we could have some nice moves here. Watch the highs, watch the lows. Obviously, the highs are going to be very shortable if we get good trades. The lows, we'll have to see how they want to trade them. But I'm going to restart the computer. I will. I'll post this series, and tomorrow I'll isolate exactly what I mean about the money trade on the scalp side for us. And as I said, we usually get one or two of those a day. And frankly, if all we did was just trade that one single trade a day, it would be it'd be money, and probably work very well in currencies as well. That the whole reversal trade off the highs, reversal off the lows is a super good indicator of flows. Okay, everybody have a great day. Sorry for all the technical glitches today. I didn't realize, that I had power issues, but now I figured it all out. And I'll promise tomorrow I'll be nice and sharp with all the charts. Everybody have a great day. Everybody enjoy. Thank you so much. I'm glad everybody banked today. You love Marmite? What's Marmite? Is that like, does that taste like Vegemite? Now I got to Google Vegemite. Oh, it's UK Vegemite. Oh my God, I don't know. What can I tell you? Anglo-Saxon food is an oxymoron. That's it. No, I'm just kidding, you guys. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Everybody enjoy. Have a great day. I'm glad we managed to do well despite all the technical glitches today. But I'll definitely have everything ready and going tomorrow. Everybody have a wonderful day. Take care.